Good morning, students. Today we will start a new chapter number 13, direct and inverse proportions. Direct and inverse proportion. Okay. Today we will discuss on the topic of direct. Okay. Suppose a two quantity, one quantity x and second quantity y. Okay. And one quantity will be increase a 2. Now second is a 4. They will increase 2 to the 4. They will increase 4 to the 4 for the 16. It's mean they multiply same quantity 2 and multiply 4. Okay. And the second examples, a one car in 1 liter petrol will run is 60 kilometer. It's mean 2 liter petrol will running in 120 kilometer. Okay. So it's mean they will value of x and is the value of y. It is the increase and that is similarly to value of y is increase. This type of proportion is called the direct solution. Okay. Second example in second example will the a factory is in one hour is make a 30 bottles. Okay, they will 2 hours in 60 bottles because it is a machine. Okay, they will bottle making machine. In 1 hour will be 30 bottle will made and 2 hour in the 60 bottle will made. It means both quantity are increase are similarly to and same ratio. Okay, so this type of transaction is called the direct proportions. Now exercise 13.1 is the first question that following are the car parking charge near the railway station is the given the one side is the hour and second side is given the rupees. Okay, and check if the parking charge in the direct proportions to the parking time. Okay, it's called the that 4 hour is 60 rupees. 4 hour is a 60 rupees. It's mean 60 upon 4 is equal to 15. Okay, it's mean the 1 hour charge is a rate of 15. Okay, 4 hours charge is 60 rupees. It's mean 1 hour charge is a 15 rupees. The 1 hour charge is 15 rupees. Now second is a 8 hour, that the 8 hour charge is 15 into 8 is equal to 90 rupees. Here is they are given the 100 rupees. And 12 hour charge is 15 into 12. Okay, and 60 and 6 is 180, but here is given the 140 rupees. Okay, so they same will be 24 hours will be 180 plus 180 is equal to 360. They give the 180 rupees. Okay, so this is the answer of they are not in left side in value is a increase but similarly, but according to ratio is second quantity is not a ratio between first quantity. इसलिए answer is a no. It's mean there are no direct proportions. Okay. Now question number second, a mixture of the paint is prepared by the mixing of 1 part of red pigment with 8 part of base. Okay, now according to this ratio the filling the blanks of given table. Okay, and the ratio is 1:8. Ratio is 1:8. Okay, that second is a 4 upon ratio. 4 upon ratio. To find that suppose will be value of x, that is the x upon is 32. It's mean first value is 32, second is 1 upon 8 is equal to 7 upon again x. They will x value x. Yes, name change will y, z and t. So there is the value of y. Both ratio are same because it is a direct proportions. Okay, now we y is equal to 7 into 8 is equal to 56. So that the value of 56. And third is a 1 upon 8 is equal to 12 upon z. So z is equal to 12 into 8. 12 into 8 is equal to 96. So that the value of 96. And fourth is a 1 upon 8. You compare the all columns, will the ratio is given 1:8. 1 upon 8. That the 20 upon t. That the t is equal to 20 into 8 is equal to 160. So this is the value of 160. Okay. Question number 3. Question number 3 is related to question number 2. Question number 3 is given in question number 2 above. If one part of the red pigment requires is 75 ml of the base, and how much red pigment should be mixed with 1800 ml of base. Up this type of question will solve. First will we make a table and given the two quantities, because the proportion is in two quantity. Okay, first will be here will be write the red pigment in ml, and second will be get the base. Okay, they give ml. Okay, and according to question, one part, that the one part is equal to 75, and how much pigment, that the value of x will be mixed in 108 ml. Okay, this is the value of x and this is the value of y. Okay, and after you write is the it is direct proportion. Okay, they will write 1 upon 75 is equal to x upon 1800. Okay, and solve. Cross multiplication, it's the 75 x is equal to 1800 into 1, and x is equal to 1800 upon 75, and cancellation. First will be cancelled by 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15, 3 6 is 18, and 00 again will be cut by the 5 5 is 25, 5 1 is 5 and 1, 5 2 is 10 and 0, 5 1 is 1, 5 2 is 10 and 2 4 is 20. It's mean the value of x is a 24 ml. X is a red pigment is equal to 24 ml. Okay. Number 4. Question number 4, a machine. Okay, that the any machine will be work in time to time. There are no problem. That a machine in the soft drink factory in the 840 bottles in fill in 6 hours. A machine is a soft drink factory fill 840 bottles in 6 hours, and you find how many bottles will fill in 5 hours. Okay, that is a machine. A machine is not a that 1 hour will be 20 bottles, second hour will be 30 bottles, fourth is machine will be fixed, will be time in fill the bottle. Okay, and number of bottle. So they make a first will make a table. There the given two quantity are given. First quantity is a hours. Okay, yeah, that is a time in unit hours, and second of number of bottle, bottles. Okay, that first is a in 6 hour. In 6 hour the number of bottle is 840, and you have find in 5 hour the number of bottle is x. Okay, so this is a, it is direct proposition. Okay, that you write 6 upon, you write the x upon y is the formula of x upon y. It is the quantity of x and it is the quantity of y. So that the formula is used, and its direct proportion to some quantity will x upon y, and second quantity x upon y1, and third quantity is x2 upon x2. In the all quantity will be, they are directly means the ratio are same. Okay, the 6 upon 840 is equal to 5 upon x, cross multiplication, that the 6, you put the sign of cross multiplication, 5 multiply 840, then we write x is equal to 840 multiply 5 upon 6. 2 3 ja, ये direct you cut 6, 6 1 ja 6, 6 1 ja 6, 2 here will 2, 24, so 6 4 ja 24 and 0. It's mean 140 multiply 5 is 0, 20, 5 to 20, 2 carry 5 and 7. It's mean number of x means 700 bottles in fill in 5 hours. Okay, so this is the answer of 700 bottle will fill in the 5 hours. Question number 5. Question number 5 is a photographs of the bacteria enlarged of 50,000 times attempt the length of the 5 centimeter. Okay, it's mean that the 50,000 bacteria will be in this type of, the length is 5 centimeter. Okay, show in the diagram. And what is the actual length? What is the actual length of the one bacteria? Okay, a bacteria. If the photographs will increase of 20,000, they will 20,000. What is the length of this time? Okay, so here will be two quantity x and y, that the value of x and y. Okay, so that x is a, you write the number of bacteria and number of bacteria and length in centimeter. Okay, and make a table. The first given, the times bacteria number is 50,000, the length is 5 centimeter, and second question, first question is accurate length. Accurate length means a number of bacteria is 1 and length is x, and second question is number of bacteria is 20,000, that the value of y. Okay, here is a x is a number of say length of one bacteria, and y is a length of 20,000 bacteria. Okay, so this is the value of x and y, and it is direct equations. Okay, then we write, first will be solve this, you find the value of x, this is the first solution, and they will solve the second solution. Okay, now first solution is 50,000 upon 5 is equal to 1 upon x. Okay, cross multiplication 5 and here x, they will opposite will be right, that 5 upon 50,000 is equal to 1 up is equal to x upon 1. Both side you have inverse form. The 50 cancel, that is the 1, it means 10,000 is the value of x. That means x is equal to 1 upon 10,000. 1 upon 10,000 will be right is 1 multiplied 10 power how many 0? 4 and minus 4. This is the standard form of write the big number. It's the length is a given is centimeter. Okay, now second part will be solved. Again will be write the one time you write, no problem. That is 50,000 upon 5 is equal to 20,000 upon y. It's time you find the length of 20,000 bacterias. Okay, the length of 20,000 bacterias. Okay, now multiply 50,000 y is equal to 20,000 into 5 is y is equal to 20,000 into 5 upon the value of transfer to denominator is 50,000. Okay, the first will be 4 terms will be 4 zeros, 5 1 ja 1, 5 1 ja 1. It's mean y is equal to 2 centimeter. It means the length of this bacteria of 2 centimeter. In 2 centimeter length bacteria is number of bacteria is 20,000. Question number 6. Question number 6. In a model of the ship is the mast in 9 centimeter height, whether the mast of the actual ship is a 12 meter. Okay, the actual height of the ship is 12 meter and the model of the height is a 9 centimeter. If the length of the ship is 28 meter, how long the length of model of ship? Okay, so that the first will be here to write the ship and second column is write the model, and because both side to find the ship, in model is centimeter and ship is meter. Okay, that ship is given that 12 meter according to respect to 9 centimeter and ship is 28 and asked to find the length of the ship. It's mean it is which type? Direct proportions. Okay, they write 12 upon, here we will write x upon y. It is quantity of x, it is the quantity of x and y. 9 is equal to 28 upon x. Cross multiplication 12x is equal to 28 multiply 9. Okay, now x is equal to 28 into 9 upon 12. 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 4 1 is 4, 4 7 is 28. It's mean the x is equal to 7 3 is 21 centimeter is the length of model ship. Question number 7. In the question number 7, suppose in 2 kg crystal, suppose 2 kg sugar content is the crystal is 9 into 10 power 6, 9 into 10 power 6, and how many sugars will the first question is 5 kg sugar and second is 1.25 kg sugars. Okay, so here will 2 quantity sugar and number of crystal. So you write the sugar in kg and number of crystal. Okay, and make a table. Both question you solve in one table by the one table. Suppose the question is single you solve, to make a 2 times of the table. Now first will be 2 kg and the crystal is 9 into 10 power 6. Okay, it is a given that. Second will be find, suppose 5 kg, they find the value of x, and third is 1.2 kg, that the value of y. Okay, and standard of x and y, here two quantity. Okay, now we solve. It is which type? Direct. Direct proportions, because the quantity of sugar will be increased, automatic crystal will be increased. The quantity of sugar is decreased, then the automatic the number of crystal is decreased. It is the direct proportion. Now we write, first will be solve and second will be solve. Okay, then the value of first is 2 upon 9 into 10 power 6 is equal to 5 upon x. Multiply that 2x is equal to 5 into 9 into 10 power 6, and x is equal to multiply 45 into 10 power 6 upon 2. 2 1 is 2. After cancellation 22.5, that the x is equal to 22.5 into 10 power 6. It is not a right standard form. What are the doing on write the standard form? The point will be increased. So that is the standard form of that 22.5 into 10 power 6. Previous class will be learn, they shift to right to left. Right to left is 2.25 into 10 power 7. Suppose will be in left to right, it the power will be decreased. That is it. Okay, now second is question solution is again 2 upon 9 into 10 power 6 is equal to 1.2 upon y. After cross multiplication, 2y is equal to 1.2 into 10 into 9 into 10 power 6, and y is equal to 1.2 into 9 into 10 power 6 upon 2. Okay, now 2 will divide 12 will be at 1.2 with divisible by, now cancel is 0.6, and 0.6 only write the 6 9 into 10 power 5 6 upon 10 power down. Okay, so that is a 9 for 54 into 10 power, it's the 1 0 left, that way 5, and write the standard form, and write the standard form will write here, point here will be shift here to 5.4 into 10 power increase, because the point is a right to left. So this is the number of crystal in 1.2 kg sugar and 22.25 into 10 power 7 number of crystal in 5 kg sugar. Question number 8. Question number 8 is Rashmi has a road map with the scale of 1 centimeter. In a scale is 1 centimeter is represent 18 kilometer. Okay, Lakshmi is a map is 1 centimeter is equal to respective to 18 kilometer. Okay, and she drive the 72 kilometer. So what would her distance cover in the map? In the map is 1 centimeter is equal to 18 kilometer. Okay, now we make a table. In this given the two quantity will given. First will be, and first will is two quantity is a map scale and second is a road distance. Road distance is kilometer and map scale is 1 in centimeter. Okay, make a table. Now this is the value of standard for xy. Now in scale is 1 centimeter is 18 kilometer. It is find the distance of 72 kilometer. Find the distance cover of the map is x. It means it is which type? Direct prepositions. Okay, it is the direct. Direct means that the value of 1 upon 18 is equal to x upon 72. Okay, because direct formula is x upon y. That multiply 18x is equal to 72 into 1. It means that x is equal to 72 into 1 upon 18. Okay, and cut by the 2 9s are 18, 2 3s are 6, and 2 6s are 12, and 9 4s are 30. It means x is equal to 4 centimeter distance represent. That be 4 centimeter distance, 4 centimeter, the scale is 4 centimeter represent the distance is 72. The question number 9. Question number 9. A 5 meter 60 centimeter height vertical pole cost is a shadow is 3 meter 20 centimeter long, and find the at the same time same time will be not any change in the time. The length of the shadow or cost of another pole is a 10 meter 50 centimeter. Okay, so that in 2 questions, and second question is the height of the pole. Height of the pole, the shadow is a 5 meter long. Okay, so make a table. Okay, now first will be, here we will write the vertical pole, and second will be shadow. Okay, then okay, in they are given the 5 meter 60 centimeter, so all quantity change into meter या into centimeter. Okay, so they will all quantity will change into centimeter, so they write the centimeter. Okay, and 5 meter first will be vertical pole is 5 meter 60. It's mean 560 centimeter. They will change 60 upon a 5 meter in 5 centimeter and 60 centimeter. Total is a 560 centimeter. Okay, the all quantity will change into centimeter. The shadow is a 320 centimeter. Okay, in the first question, it is the first question, that is second. There only one table you make and put the value. The length of the shadow, the cost of the pole is 10 meter 50 centimeter. 10 meter 50 centimeter is a 1050 centimeter. The length of the pole and length of the shadow is x. Second is a the height of the pole, that height of the pole is y, and shadow height is 5 meter means 500 centimeter. Okay, now solve. That the first question solve is 560 upon 320. It is the direct is equal to 1050 upon x. Okay, now cross multiplication, it's mean 560 x is equal to 1050 into 30. Okay, now x is equal to 1050 into 320 upon 560. Okay, now cancel, solve the 1050 into 3020 upon 560. Okay, now 0 cancel. 2 is a 16 upon 2 2 is a 4, 2 8 is a 16, 2 8 is a 16, and 2 1 is a 2, 2 4 is a 8, 2 4 is a 8, 2 7 is a. Okay, now 7 1 is 7, here 7 1 is 7, 3, and 7 5 is 35, and 0. It's mean 150 into 4. 150 into 4 is 600. It's mean 600 centimeter. It's mean a 6 meter. 6 meter is a height of shadow, a length of shadow. Okay, and the second question will be solved. This is the first question. Okay, now second question will be solved when the value of y again will be second is 560 upon 320 is equal to y upon 500. After cross multiplication, 320x and 560 into 500. Okay, now we x is equal to 560 into 500 upon 320. Okay, now after cancellation, 0 to 0 cancel, 5 to 2 16, 25 to 8, 2 2 is a 4, 2 8 is a 16, 2 4 is a 8, 140 is 2 is 70 is 2 is 35. It's mean 35 into 25. 35 into 25 is a 35 is 25. You multiply 35 into 25. 5 5 is 25, 5 2, 5 is 15, 16 17 into 5 2 is 10, 1, and 2 3 is 6 and 7. That the 5 7 8. That means 875 centimeter is the value of y. Okay, that be y is equal to, it means change in 8.75 meter. Okay, now it is the last question of this exercise, question number 10. A loaded truck travel in 14 km in 25 minutes if the speed remain are same. Okay, speed are not changed. The fare can be travel in 5 hours. Okay, so that is the 25 minutes and is a 5 hour. So first will be change a same quantity. First will be make a table. Okay, the first will be distance, a time is minute, and distance in kilometer. Okay, its first will be 25 minutes, distance is 14, and you find 5 hours, that 5 into 60, and the value of x, that the x and y is a standard. Okay, it is a direct means is the value of x upon y is equal to 25 upon 14 is equal to 5 into 60 upon x. Why are you multiply the 60? Then 60 multiply, it is a change the hours in minute. Now is 25 x is equal to 5 into 60 into 14. Okay, now that the x is equal to 5 into 60 into 14 upon 25. Okay, 5 1 is 1, 5 5 is 20, and 5 1 is 1, 5 1 is 1, 5 2 is 10. It's mean 12 into 14 is equal to value of x. So 12 into 14, 4 2 is 8, 4 4, and 12, it's 168. 168, x is equal to 168. It means kilometer. Okay, this is the distance they cover in 5 hours. Okay.